Hello and welcome to this short video focusing on the MG3. In this video, I will give you an overview of its key attributes. The MG3 is built in one of MG's 4 state-of-the-art factories in China, having been designed and developed in the UK at MG's engineering base at Longbridge, Birmingham. Built to the highest standards using world-class systems, processes and components, we are so confident of the quality and reliability of MG3 that we give it a 7-year manufacturer's warranty. It's offered as a 5-door hatchback with a 106 PS petrol engine and a 5-speed manual gearbox. Efficient use of space results in a cabin that is one of the most spacious in the B hatch class, especially when measuring rear seat room and boot space. MG3 is also one of the most customizable cars on the market, having the choice of distinctive colours, graphic packs and unique door mirror caps. It brings MG's iconic hatchback formula bang up to date with a city-friendly car that is spacious, fun and remarkably affordable to own. So let's get into the detail of the product through a walk around to get really under the skin of the best value for money car in the UK today. The first thing to notice about MG3 is its dynamic front end. The impactful Stellar Field grille perfectly frames MG's famous octagonal badge and is complemented by the sport design bumper. The MG family look, which is shared with other cars in the range, suits the small car well. The expressive headlights and LED daytime running lights complete the eye-catching look from the front. At the side, and depending on the model choice, exterior highlights include 16-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels and side sill extensions. It is a compact vehicle, but with plenty of space inside. Agile enough to handle a city environment as well as the open road. At the rear of the car, the stylish tail lights and rear spoiler add to the distinctive look. Opening the boot, we can see that there is plenty of room with 285 litres of boot space, including underfloor storage. The 60-40 split rear seats are standard on every model, increasing the boot space to a massive 1,262 litres to the roof. So, in summary, the exterior of the MG3 underpins how well built the car is, with sporty and reliable looks. But it's when we get inside that the fun really starts. I absolutely love the interior of the MG3. It just makes me want to drive it. We will do that in a moment, but first let's have a look at some of the highlights from inside the cabin. Inside you get a spacious and high quality interior that has been inspired by fashion trends with loads of tech, including electric mirrors and windows that you wouldn't expect to get in this price range. MG3 has one of the most spacious cabins in its class, with class-leading leg and headroom for 5 people. The MG3's defining feature is a clean and attractive dashboard design with an 8-inch colour touchscreen on all but the entry-level version, part leather-style trim and a leather-style sports steering wheel with a number of controls at your fingertips, soft retract grab handles and a reversing camera with parking sensors are also available, depending on the specification. MG3 is packed with the latest technology, from Apple CarPlay to DAB radio and the Bluetooth hands-free with audio streaming. Everything you need to stay connected. All versions also feature electric windows front and rear, a trip computer and USB connectivity. Also available in MG3 is the fantastic iGo navigation system. This user-friendly sat-nav provides excellent navigation guidance to the driver, with some great little additions such as a quick search feature which helps you quickly find the most frequently selected types of places. But as I said before, MG3 is just begging to be driven, and it's out on the roads that the fun really begins. With a 1.5 petrol engine that packs plenty of punch, the MG3 is great on the open road. It's great to get behind the wheel to appreciate the sporty 106 PS petrol engine with 5-speed manual transmission. Our engineers have designed an innovative chassis to improve dynamics and make driving the MG3 so much more fun than the average small car. It has stop-start technology, so it's efficient, city-friendly, and has low emissions. Hill hold control is another great feature as it assists control in hill start conditions. The MG3 is extremely nimble in the city conditions, with a compact turning circle and the availability of a rear reversing camera, which helps parking manoeuvres. Safety features, such as the stability control system with anti-lock brakes, electronic brake force distribution, emergency brake assist and cornering brake control, which lend a helping hand when needed to give the driver added confidence on the road, as well as contributing to MG3's low insurance rating. Add to that direct tyre pressure monitoring as standard, and it gives fantastic peace of mind to our customers. And with automatic headlights as standard, drivers will never forget to turn on their lights. MG3 drivers will be drawn to the fantastic options for playing their individual music choices. There are a couple of other really important things to mention about the MG3 before we wrap up this video. The ability to personalise the MG3 is something that really adds to its appeal. This particular vehicle has black trophy stripes, black mirror caps, and a protection pack, which features fabric mats, load space liner, mud guards, and door sill finishes, all of which look great. There is another huge feature that we must sing from the rooftops, and that, of course, is its 7-year warranty. It is worth reminding ourselves that most cars in the UK are sold with a 3-year warranty. In fact, 88% of cars have a 3-year warranty when purchased. Our offer is refreshingly simple. It's a 7-year warranty. No ifs, buts, maybes, showing huge confidence that we have in our product. All terms and conditions are on mg.co.uk. With regards to service and maintenance, the service schedule for the MG3 is 15,000 miles or 12 months. So there you have it. The MG3 is the best value for money hatchback in the UK today. It is packed full of features throughout the range. Combine that with the long warranty and low running costs, and it means that the MG3 really is the modern definition of an affordable, feature-packed hatchback, perfect for new car buyers everywhere. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.